Hello, beautiful audience. We are so glad, just like always, to have you back on this channel once again. And compliments of this season. Yes, guys, on today's video, we are live in Uga-Nkpologwu Road. Yes, and they spur to Amacy, but we're not going to go through the Amacy Road. We are just going to go straight from Oga up till Nkpologwu, and we are also going to drive you through the Nkpologwu town so that you will see what this town actually and currently looks like. So we are still talking about the developmental strides of the Soludo'S administration in Anambra State, Nigeria. What this administration is doing to connect every town in Anambra State, to connect every community, every village, is a very, very beautiful and is also highly commendable. You see, by the time all of the towns in Anambra State and all of the communities, talking about all of the villages, are properly connected with motorable roads, guys, this Anambra State is going to actually explode. I'm telling you, everything about Anambra State is going to transform rapidly and massively. Just like I told you in the other video we did before this one, there are lots of such projects like this going on in Anambra State. I'm talking about the roads in the villages, roads in the hinterlands, roads in the communities that are being constructed at the moment. And even there are lots more that have been completed already, and there are lots more that are still under construction. This is something to be so proud of. I'm telling you guys, this is something to be so proud of. He's not only working in the cities. He's not only working in the major towns. He's also working in the villages. You can see the Amacy Road we just passed now. Yes, by the rise. So, guys, a lot is going on. A lot is going on in Anambra State. And you know, I normally tell you guys that Anambra State is a construction site. But some people wouldn't understand why I'm saying this. Anywhere you enter in Anambra State, there is either one project or the other that is going on. So that is why I always say that Anambra State as a whole is a construction site. You know, this administration is out for development. This administration is out for progress. Guys, every part of Anambra State, there is either one project or the other going on. And just like I always tell you guys, Anambra have really not had it in this manner before. So what do you think about all of these things that are going on within the state? I really would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your ideas, even your advices, your recommendations, whatever it is you think about this administration and what it is doing in Anambra State at the moment. Please do well to share with us in the comment section so that we all will be on the same page. And if you also know things about these projects that we don't know, please do well also to share with us so that we'll all be on the same page together. And at the same time, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to comment, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel just in case you have not subscribed already. We are live in Uga-Nkpologwu Road in Akwata local government area, Nigeria, and this is what Soludo is doing in various parts of Anambra State, connecting all the local roads, at the same time connecting them to the major roads. You know, this is going to make the economy of these localities to actually improve, because movement of goods and services would actually be very easy without stress. You know, gone are the days when the communities will produce food and they cannot actually transport this food to the major cities. But with these developments, all the communities that farm, that really rely on farming, will find it easy to move their produce to the nearest city to sell, or to the nearest bigger town to sell. And this will actually improve and also reduce the cost of of food items in the state. And I must tell you, this administration is actually doing magic. I'm so impressed with what this administration is doing, and without mincing words, I really commend the Soludo'S administration. So it's very important to hear from you guys, because it's so amazing. I'm actually saying my mind right now, like I'm actually pouring out my mind the way it is, though I don't know what is in your own mind. So that is why I said, please, whatever it is you think about these projects, whatever you think about the Soludo'S administration, you think about the Anambra state government, or you think about all of these community roads that is being constructed at the moment, and even the ones that are being constructed in the major cities all around the state, and also so much more projects that are going on in the state, talking about legacy projects of this administration. Please do well to share with us on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. I'll leave you guys here to enjoy the rest of this video, and see you on our next video coming your way. Don't forget that we are going to drive through Nkpologwu town, so that you will see what Nkpologwu town actually looks like. Thank you, and remain blessed.